Good morning, children. In the last class, we discussed the question answer. Now, today we will be discussing the writing section. Okay, the first question is, why is the poem titled The Children's Song? Now, children, why do you think it is called a children's song? As I told you in my previous class, that the children are praying to God. They are singing a prayer to God. Now, this prayer is called hymn or bhajan, which you call in Hindi. So, they are praying to God. So, this is called children's song. Now, it is titled children's song as the poem deals with the children's wishes, which they are submitting in the form of hymn or a song to God. And the entire poem is very musical, so it can be rightly said that it is a song. Now the next question is life skill. The children's song has a definite message for the people of every country and every age. What is that message? Now what is the message in this? Can anyone tell me? Now the poem, it conveys a patriotic message. That means, what is patriotism? Patriotism means, in Hindi, what do you call it? Desh Bhakti. Yes. The poem conveys a patriotic message that in order to serve the motherland with all the zest and zeal, that means with full enthusiasm, one needs to be perfect human being of great virtue, and only an honest and upright person with high moral character can fulfill the responsibility of serving the motherland with full sincerity. So this is the message which is conveyed through the poem. Next one, how can we comfort a man in distress? Now whoever is in distress means trouble. How can you comfort? By having a sympathetic approach, by helping that person. First of all, you have to find out what kind of a problem he is facing. If he is facing financial problem and you are have the ability to solve it, you must solve it. If he is facing any emotional problem, you have to emotionally support him and take out from that situation, or any other type of problem. So to comfort a man in distress, you have to first understand the problem and then try to solve it without hurting the person. Next one, why should we have more trust in God than in our friends? Now, as God is omnipresent means present everywhere. Now, if you trust your friends, and do anything, you always see whether your friends are around you to see your action or not. Now when they are not around you, you might not do the right thing, but you know that God is present everywhere, so you will never do anything wrong. And that is why we should have more trust in God than in our friends. And God will always guide you on the right path, that is for sure. Your friends might not guide you on the right path if they don't have a clear motive is not clear, then they might misguide you also. So you should have more trust on God than on. And how can you trust God, children? By listening to your conscience. Your conscience will always guide you on the right track. Now you have almost all values find expression in the poem, the children's song. Love for the country, shouldering responsibilities, selflessness, compassion, forgiveness. Now throw light on the humanitarian aspect of the poem in the light of the above observation. Now, humanitarian aspect. Now what are the humanitarian aspects in the poem? They have already mentioned that you should have compassion, forgiveness, selfless service, shouldering responsibility and all. So one should have a humanitarian aspect, is one should have a forgiving nature. Even those who do evil to you, you should try to forgive them. Then you should also show your respect towards your ancestors and your traditions and all, and don't let them destroy. Then you should help the people who are in trouble or distress. All these are the humanitarian aspects in the poem. And last one is writing skill. Taking hints from the poem, prepare a speech to be delivered for the morning assembly on the topic, the role of the youth in our nation's development. Now you know how to write a speech. All of you are knowing. And what message should you give? What is the role? What will you write in the role of the youth in our nation's development? Now, who is youth? Are you youth? No. You are still children. Youth is the stage which is after children, after this, and before you become an adult. That is youth. So, role of youth. Youth has the power to help the country to develop and move towards the progress. Now, youth can bring social reforms also within the country. Then, youth of a country can determine the future of the nation. They can create employment and all. Then what else? The role of the youth is very crucial. They can also be the problem solvers. They have a positive influence on the other young people, and because they are ambitious, they can fulfill, or they can do anything for the sake of their country. They have the ability to create an identity for themselves and move the nation forward. So all these are, you will be writing these answers in your notebook. Okay. See you in the next class.